Hey everybody, this is Ryan. Welcome back. Welcome to the investing channel. In tonight's video, which is the 7th of March, 2022, I'm going to do a price prediction, another revisit on Spell Coin. It's been about 2 weeks, so we're going to look at it again and see if there's any opportunity. And I do see opportunity. And PS, I just jumped into trade. So I'm going to share with you guys what I did so that you guys can follow me on my journey. For those of you guys that are new, that's what I do. I jump into trades. I let you guys know when I'm looking at the charts where I'm going to enter in, where I'm going to exit. And then once that finally swings back around and hits that target, I do another video to let you guys know that it's been making money. Okay. So if that's something you're interested in, seeing price predictions, following me on my journey, please look over here, subscribe to the channel, and then smack that bell when it pops up. And even though you may not want to subscribe right now, you're probably going to want to in a few minutes, because trust me, when you see what I'm about to show you, you're going to want to subscribe. So I'm just saying, I'm not joking either. Okay. So let's go ahead. Also, we're going to have a giveaway here at the end of the week, and I'll go over that in just a minute. So if you guys want to enter the giveaway, there is no cost to you, but I'll share that in just a moment. Okay. Let me get over here. Okay, here's my channel real quick. For those of you guys that are new, I do a lot of price predictions. You can see all sorts of videos I have in here. All the ones that have been swinging around and taking profit are in green. Took profit, 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 took profit. And if you go down even a little more, took profit, took profit, took profit, took profit, took profit. So I have a good ability to enter and choose my entries at the right time. So anyway, that's one of the things I wanted to share with you guys. Also, for the giveaway, I'm going to give away a free men's wallet. It's one of those thin wallets, and I'm going to pop a little picture up here on the screen so you guys can take a look at it. I will have I will do a drawing at the end of the week, and I'll have one lucky winner get it, and I'll mail it to you at no cost. Okay. The only thing that I ask is that you look down below the video right now, you give it a thumbs up. It's just a little bit to the right of center. There's a little thumbs up icon. All you have to do is tap it with your mouse or with your finger, and then you'll be entered in. And the other thing is, head over to my Instagram account. It's called Investing Points. You can follow me over there, and then send me a DM. And in the comments of the DM, just say wallet. So that's the only two things you have to do. Give a thumbs up on the video and head over to Instagram, over to Investing Points, and then send a DM saying wallet, okay? And you guys can watch any of the other videos in here that I do for some of you guys who are asking me to do videos on coins that you guys are stuck in, okay? Feel free to go take a look at those. Okay, so let's keep moving here. Here we are on Spell Coin. And for those of you guys that are new, let me explain something. And this is why I say you're gonna wanna subscribe. So what I do is I come into these coins, and there's all sorts of coins over here, and look at how there are a lot of them are green right now, which is awesome. What I do is I draw these little lines, these little bases. And when price action drops below these bases, that's when there's a good opportunity to buy the dip and then wait for it to swing back up. Sometimes the dip happens quick. Sometimes it might linger for a while. Sometimes it might drop, you buy in, it drops more, and then you have to wait a little bit longer, but you just have to wait. You have to be patient for the swing, okay? So let me show you that it does work, okay? So here it broke, it swung back up. It broke that one real quick and bounced right back up. Same with that one. It broke these two and came back up. It broke right there and came back up. It broke there and swung right up. It broke there and swung up. It broke there and swung up. Let's see here. Over here, let me just slide over. Down here, it broke this space here and swung up over here. It broke this one and swung up. It broke it again and swung up. Down here, it broke and swung up. It broke this space here and swung up. It broke this space and swung up, and it broke the one below it and swung up. Okay. So it broke this one and swung up. It broke right there and swung up. And it broke right down here in the right-hand corner and swung up. So what you guys can see that more often than not, price is dropping and it's breaking back up, okay? So if this is something you guys haven't seen before, please don't forget to look down below the video and do one of these. That helps me out with the YouTube algorithm, okay? So let me share with you guys kind of some opportunities here that I see for myself. So this is kind of the top barrier. This one broke. You don't see that it has swung back up. Typically they'll swing up. Sometimes there's big long waits like this. Don't get worried, guys. There's other opportunities though. Right here, it's down here right now at 0.0039, which is roughly where I bought in just about an hour ago. And I'm just waiting for the quick swing up to right. I think it's right. Where am I at? Maybe right there. I think I'm jumping up to 0.0068. So I'm entering at 0.0039 and I'm leaving. I'm putting my exit at 0.006968, somewhere in there. But, you know, if I wanted to hold for months, I could wait for it to come all the way back up to point, and I'll show you guys this here. I see the top as 0.013. I see the bottom is at 0.0076. Okay, so I could wait for it to come all the way back up. It might take a while, but if this is my top, I'm definitely jumping out because I want to wait for some other kind of little section like this to manifest and create itself on the chart. But there's opportunity for these lower sections because obviously the lower down, the faster or the quicker I can take profit on something. The higher up, the longer I have to wait. The lower down, the shorter I have to wait. So even though this is the bottom and you're saying, well, wait, I thought this is the bottom. No, this is the bottom. And then if it drops down a little bit more, sometimes it lingers like this, but ultimately, more often than not, it swings back up. So if I'm right 9 out of 10 times, I'm happy, right? I'm making money 90% of the time. So let me go ahead and I'm going to share with you guys just a few bases, a few options for me. I'm at 0.0039 over here. I could take profit at 0.0044. I could set my take profit at 0.00531, 0.0068. I could go to the bottom at 0.0076. If it's climbing, if it gets up close to here, I might just bump it up to the next level. But it could hit this line right here, 0.0069, and then it could drop down for a couple more weeks. You never know. And then here's the next one, 0.0089, 0.0097, 0.0104, 0.011, 0.0117, 0.012, 0.0131, and ultimately the top 0.013, what is that, 0.0138, somewhere in that range. I always like to go a little bit under the top because that way I ensure. Sometimes I've seen it hit the top and then it drops right away. Sometimes it goes a little above it, but then it comes right back down. So let me go ahead and show you the calculation on this. So this is it right here. So these are my options that I looked at before I jumped into trade. I chose the $500 investment. I am already in Spellcoin, but I ended up buying in initially further up. I bought up here. So my take profit is going to be up here. I'm not going to make that much on it, but I'm going to make a lot more if I ride this thing up to some degree. Okay. So on a $500 investment, I got 128,000 coins roughly of Spell. I got in at 0.0039 and I set my take profit at 0.0068. That gives me a 74% markup on my money, which nets me around 371.79. Okay. So if I did 1,000, it would net me around 743. If I did 2,000, it would double that. It would bring it to 1487. Okay. Typically I like to go in with 500 or 1,000. I've got a lot of money in on coins right now. I'm just waiting for them to swing. Let me show you guys with this. You can see I have it right here. Oh, here's a couple more I just jumped into too. In the last 2 days, I jumped into CRV again because I bought CRV higher up, but I'm going to try to, it dropped so much that I'm coming back in. Okay. I'm coming back in to make a decent profit. I also jumped in on ICP again. And here it is right here. I bought in with 500. Here's my entry. Here's my exit. Here's my potential profit. Just a quick one. DNT, I was already in. I jumped back in again. I put 500 in. I bought in right there. My take profit's there. Just a quick profit, 16%. I bought in at REN earlier today. There's my entry. There's my exit. Over here's the number of coins that I get. And then here's my potential profit, 30%. So on these last ones, I'm setting it up for 55% of my money, 11%, 16%, 30%, and 73%. And if you guys want a copy of this spreadsheet, I'll give it to you. I already made one. I've already been emailing it out to a lot of people, but you guys can go over to my Instagram, send me a DM also. If you're going to do the wallet, you might as well at the same time say that you want my spreadsheet and just provide me your email address and I'll send it off to you. Okay. But here you guys can see that I've been trading for a while. Look at all the green in there. I have some reds. That's because I jumped out early. I was doing stop losses. I got nervous, but I've been holding. I don't jump out of things anymore. And you guys can see no more reds showing up. Okay. I'm just waiting for them to come through and clear. Okay. So that is it for this video. If you guys found this video interesting, please send the link to a friend so that they can check it out. Even if they're not looking at Spellcoin, they can see what I'm doing. And also guys, after this video, go click on my username. It'll look like this initially. And then you click on videos, the video tab, and you can see my full library here, and you can go watch any of these videos. Okay. Just, if these older videos, you got to make sure that the pricing has not swung back up. Okay. most of them haven't. I'm in on a lot of those coins in here, so most of them have not come. But I've also got some stocks in here. I've got Facebook, I've got Adobe, I got Coinbase. So anyway, there's a few. I'll be adding some more. But thanks guys for watching. I'm going to go look at doing another video. Put a couple videos for you guys for Tuesday the 8th. This will go live on Tuesday the 8th. All right, thanks guys for watching and have a great night. Bye bye.